Alright, I wanted to test a Chromium Snap software package. You guys might recall some time ago I tested a Firefox Snap. That one was so slow to launch I was able to paint the entire house. Alright, all jokes aside, let's see if a Chromium Snap package software is any faster. Alright, let's see. Internet, Chromium web browser. The time is 12:58. Suppose I could take the car out to the car wash. It's in the 50s today. 1 o'clock, 2 minutes. Still no Chromium Snap to launch. I asked the bear about using Linux snaps, and it doesn't seem like he was too happy with me. Linux Snap software. One reason, I suppose, why Linux sucks.